welcome to this lab. We are going to be creating an AWS organization. So basically this is going to give us central management for multiple Amazon Web Services accounts. So you're going to need to log into your Amazon EC2 instance, which I am right now. And the objective is to understand how the enterprise can create multiple accounts with a single admin console. So basically, this gives us management at scale across all of our users in our AWS instance. Kind of think of it like group policy in Microsoft land or Red Hat Satellite in Red Hat land. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. You will need to get a secondary email account. So you can see right here, I've got temp email. We're going to try that one for this lab, but you are going to need that. Or you can use a Gmail account, a second Hotmail account, but you will need a second account to get this up and running. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to navigate to AWS organization. So let's go ahead and just search for that here. All right. And then once we're here, we're going to go to management and governance. So basically, once you're here, you want to click on add an Amazon account. And basically, you want to choose to create a new account. And that's where that temporary email comes in. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to create this temporary account. So I'm going to give my account a name. Let's just call it Little Dog, the name of my mom's poodle. And for the email, I'm going to use temporary email right here. I'm going to copy that one. I'm going to use this, paste that in here. For the IAM role, we're going to choose organization account access role. All right, and once you're here, you want to do create an Amazon account. All right, so it is creating the account. I've already made one in the past. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to make a new one as well. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what happens here. Let's see if we got anything from Amazon. Nothing yet. All right, let's go back to our org. Our account, so it's still waiting. Okay. Let's just check. Still waiting. There we go. Little Dog has been created. Fantastic. Let's take a look at Little Dog. Okay. So what we want to do now is create a policy. So in this task, we're going to create a policy which is going to block access to the EC2 management for the newly attached account. So basically, I'm going to prevent this account from being able to actually manage my Amazon EC2 instance. So kind of think of this as a restricted account. So let's go ahead and navigate to policies. All right, and we're going to choose service control policies. I'm going to make sure that it is enabled. So we click on here. All right, and like I said, mine's already been enabled. But if you wanted to, you could also choose to disable it as well. But once you do that, you're just going to be enabled. So make sure you click on the enable button there. All right. And the next thing you want to do is you want to create a policy and you want to call it EC2 deny management policy. So what I can do is I can take a look here. I can delete this policy, and I'm going to just, since I've already done it, I want to delete the policy. Oh, well, it says this one's in use. That's okay. So what I can do is I can make a new policy. We're just going to call it EC2 deny management. No, we'll put the day's date. We'll say 6/23. It might not like those slashes here. 6/23/22. And for the description, we'll say deny EC2 management option for I'll say little dog. Okay, so we can scroll down. We can take a look at what the policy is. Okay, and we want to make sure that the effect has deny. So let's take a look at it right here. So we see EC2. We want to make sure this one says yeah, EC2. All right. And let's take a look at our syntax here. So we got version, statement 1, effect deny. Action looks like EC2. Yeah, that looks good. Good. A JSON error. Let's take a look and see what our error is right here. Syntax looks pretty good. Let me do this. Let's say for nickname. All right, so action, I'm going to choose a filter, EC2. Let's try it like this. There we go. Let's see if this one works better. There we go. So we'll say, yeah, all actions. There we go, that looks better. And we want to make sure that the effect says deny. Okay. Yep, effect says deny. This one looks good. Let's go ahead and choose add a resource. Alright, and then for the resource type, we're going to choose all resources. And this will assign resources to which the statement is applied. I'm going to click on add resource. Okay. And next, I want to choose create policy. So let's go ahead and do that one. And you see right here, here's the one that we just created, EC2 deny management with today's date. All right, so next what we want to do is we want to make sure that the policy is assigned to the new user that we created. So that is little dog. So let's go ahead and select our new policy. And under actions, we want to choose attach policy. All right, and then let's see if we can't find our user here. Here he is, little dog, and we're going to choose to attach the policy. right. And it says we have attached a policy to that user. All right, so what they want us to do now is to log in with our new account. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to sign out with my account, which is my name, right? And what they want to do now is to sign in with the new account. So let's go ahead and do that one. So I'm going to say sign in, root user, and our user is our account right here. And I'm going to paste this in. I'm going to say next. All right, for the password, well, we never really had a password, so let's go ahead and choose forgot password here. And have to solve the CAPTCHA. See, I think that's a TNZD. C Y. It's a Y or X. Let's try X. Send email. Nope, that was not correct. Okay, let's try this again. TQHPNR. Let's see if that one works. Goodness gracious. Third time's a charm. H3ZP2C. There we go. All right, let's wait for this email to come through. There we go. Amazon Password Assistance. Let's see, they're wanting us to go ahead and copy this one. And we're going to paste and go. All right, so I'm just going to create a little password. We can do our temporary password. Just going to use something throwaway here. Copy this one. All right. So now let's see if I can't sign in. After, of course, the CAPTCHA. All right, I'm signed in with the account Little Dog, and Little Dog should have limited access. So let's see what we got here. So it's saying, yeah, we'll go ahead and switch to the new console. That's fine. Okay, so we're at the management console here. We're happy there. And what we want to do is look at the resources tab, right? And once we go there, it should be pretty much disabled, because again, this was the deny account right here, and you see how we have all of these API errors. This means I am unable to do any of the management of this AWS instance with the Little Dog account, and that's what the AWS orgs configuration is all about. You could do a whole lot more, you can make it granular, but basically you are allowing certain users to have certain permissions in the backend, because in the field, in the enterprise, right, you don't want to have everyone to have access to your AWS instance. They could cause serious harm if they did not know what they were doing. All right, that is the first lab, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.